Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new playlist in YouTube. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you that there is no any option in YouTube Studio and YouTube application in order to create a YouTube playlist. So you can use a laptop or you can use any browser in Android and use desktop mode. So let's get started. You have to just simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three dots and enable the desktop side. So just wait for a while and you have to just simply search for YouTube Studio. And I have already turned to YouTube site. You guys can just see that here is it is enabled. You just have to enable it, and after that you have to just simply click on YouTube Studio. So after opening up the first YouTube Studio, it will open up just like that. So here you have to just simply just swipe zoom, and here you will be able to see the create button right at the top right corner. So you just have to just simply click on it, and here you will be able to see the new playlist. You have to just simply click on it, and here you have to just simply add a title of the playlist and add a description, and here it is asking you for visibility. So you have to just simply click on it. If you want to make it private, you can make it private, or if you want to make it unlisted, you can use it unlisted, or you can use it public according to your need. And after that you have to just simply click on create, and your playlist will be created in this way. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.